Hi friends, in this video we will going to know latest bathroom tiles design and what will price for making this kind of bathroom tiles. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. So let's begin the video. Bathroom tiles are non-porous and water resistant. It's protecting the bathroom walls and floors from water damage, molds and mildew. High quality bathroom tiles are durable and withstand exposure to the moisture, heat, cleaning agents, and bathroom tiles are easy to clean and maintain to compare to other materials. They're resistant to the stains, scratches, and bacterial growth, making them hygienic bathrooms. And let we know price. Bathroom tiles in India are available in various materials, each offering unique aesthetics, durability, and price. And here is an overview of common types of bathroom tiles along with their approximate price ranges. The first one is the ceramic tiles. Ceramic tiles are popular for their affordability and versatile and available in numerous designs and colors. This price range is 30 to 150 rupees per square foot. And another one is the Procline tiles. It's known for their durability and water resistance. Procline tiles are denser and less porous than ceramic tiles. This tiles price range is the 50 rupees to 300 per square foot. And another one is the marble tiles. Marble tiles offer luxurious and elegant appearance with natural veining that added to the unique to your bathrooms. And this price range is starting from 100 to 1000 plus per square foot depending on the type and quality of marbles. And another one is the glass tiles. This glass tiles is provides sleek and modern look to your bathrooms. It's often used for ancients or future walls due to their reflective properties. That means one wall you use the glass bathroom tiles and another walls you can use ceramic tiles. The price range is starting from 150 to 500 per square foot. And another one is the mosaic tiles. This is a compromising small pieces of glass or ceramic or stone mosaic tiles. It's ideal for creating intricate patterns and designs. These tiles, the price range is starting from 100 to 500 per square foot. And natural stone tiles, example like granite or slate. These natural tiles bring earthy and robust feel of your bathrooms, each piece offering unique texture and color. This price range is starting from 200 to 1000 per square foot. And vinyl tiles. Its vinyl tiles are the cost effective and water resistance option. It's available in various designs, including those that mimic natural stone or wood. These tiles price range is starting from 30 rupees to the 150 rupees per square foot. And cement tiles. Cement tiles are known for their durability and unique patterns, often handcrafted for bespoke look. This price range is 200 per box. And hexagonal tiles. Hexagonal tiles offer to the geometrical aesthetics. It's suitable for modern and contemporary bathroom designs. This price range is starting from 200 to 800 per square foot. And large format tiles. Large tiles is create seamless and spacious look with favor growth lines, ideal for modern bathrooms. This price range is 450 to 1200 per square foot. Prices are approximate and can vary based on factors such as brand, design, quality, and location. It's advisable to consult with local suppliers or retailers for the most accurate of up-to-date pricing. And ceramic tiles are affordable and versatile ceramic. The ceramic tiles comes in various designs and colors to suit for bathroom walls and floors. And Procline tiles also known for their durability and water resistance. Procline tiles are ideal for high moisture areas like bathrooms. And when selecting bathroom tiles, consider factors such as sleep resistance, maintenance and requirements, and overall design and comparability with your bathroom space. And some key features of bathroom tiles: water resistance. These tiles protect walls and floors from water damage by creating sealed and non-porous surface. And one more is the durability. Designed to the endure heavy use, the tiles resist of wear and tear, lasting for years without significant and deterioration. And easy to maintain. Tiles are easy to clean and maintain, making them ideal for spaces prone to dirt, soap, scum, and moisture. Bathroom tiles comes in various colors, textures, and patterns, allowing for endless designs and possibilities from classic to the contemporary. Many tile features anti-slip surfaces to prevent accidents and especially in wet areas. And and they are easy to clean maintain compared to the other materials. They resist of stains, scratches, and bacterial growth, making them hygienic for bathrooms. Anti-slip tiles reduce the risk of slipping in wet